Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After so many long days, I'm recording this video. And yes, there is a one purpose to record this video is that now in 2026, I'm seeing lot of people still suffering to how to make calendar in Power BI. And to be honestly speaking, this is very simple because because I see lot of people still beheading or still copy pasting script, that means copy pasting calendar script and paste into Power BI. So yeah, you can do this. No objection. You can do this. But one thing, but when you go into interview, if they ask you make Power BI, make calendar in Power BI. So no one can ask. I don't think so. No one can ask, but still you have to know this how to make calendar in Power BI. So just click on modeling, then click on new table, then dim calendar equal to, okay. First function we have to use is add columns. Okay. I will explain you why I'm using add column function because in calendar we are creating lots of column like date column, year column, quarter, month. So for that we need add column function. So inside add column function, we need to use calendar function. Okay, calendar function. So in that calendar function, we have to mention our starting date and um, what the end date of our calendar. For example, I want my calendar from 2020 to current date. Okay. For that, I need to use here. I use date function. Okay. So 2020, comma 01, comma 01. Comma, then what is the end date? I want till tomorrow or till today. So current date. Okay. So this will give you a date column. Okay. Then another column is year. Year, comma. We need to use year function. Pass the date. That's it. Okay. So you can see this is very simple. No need to add anything. Now I want quarter. For quarter, we have quarter function, quarter, comma, pass your date column. Okay, just hit enter. Okay, now our date table is created. Here you can see, okay, ascending date 1 Jan 2020. And what is the descending date? Yeah, it's the 3rd Jan 2026, and here you can see quarter. Okay, but I don't want quarter in a number format. I want quarter in Q1, Q2, Q3. Okay, that's also very simple. For that, you need to use concat function. Simple concat with Q, comma. Okay, here you can see the quarter. Okay, then I want month. Okay, double quote month, comma, write month function and pass date. Okay, here you can see month. Okay, see month, but this is month in a number format, but I want month in a name, like I want month name. Okay, we can also do this. Then in month, comma, For this, we need to use one function, and the function name is format. Format, format my date, and which format? Give the triple 4 time M. Now you can see this, okay? Month. Okay, but I don't want month full name. I just want 3 characters of month. Okay, that is also possible. Month, uh, S for short. Format, format, my date, give the triple M. Now you can see first 3 character of month. Okay, yes, that's it. Okay, but for example you have a table and you don't want to give the static, so see, you can see this is a static date, means my date is static here, this is dynamic. Okay, but I have one table, I have my fact table, I want date according to that, this date, sale date. Okay, here I have date. So here I can see what's the ascending. Okay, I have a date from 1st Jan 2021 and till 30 December 2024. But this is my fact table. After some time, I will get my historical data. Means I will get my previous data that is present from 2000. Then what? What should I do? Simple. Go here, pass that column name here. Okay, and how? Okay, first we need to use one function, and the function name is min. So min function give you the minimum date in your table, in okay, in your column. So here the column name is date, comma, what's the max date, then give this date max. Okay, okay, that's it. So here we need to pass our column reference. Mean means starting and max means end date. Okay. So here now you can see we have data till 30 December 2024 and the date is starting from 1st Jan 2021. That's it. Okay. Save this file. Okay. Then another thing is, for example, you have multiple fact table, okay, and you have multiple date in your fact table, and now you are confused. Which date is my main date? Which date should I give the reference in my in the calendar? So for this, we have another function is that calendar auto. Calendar auto. Okay. So you need to just use this function calendar auto. When you use this function, you have multiple date. Calendar auto function automatically detect dates in your table, dates in this whole report, and give you the minimum date, means starting date. For example, you have 4 columns of date, so it is automatically detect what is your mean date from the 4th column or 5 column or the 5 table or 6 table, and what's the max date you have in your report. So here now we can also see that we have data from 1st Jan 2021 to 31st December 2024. Okay, so this is very simple, anyone can do. There is no need to add any script or anything, no need to copy paste the script. It's just a simple function, year function. If you want year, then use year function. You want month, use the month function. You want the month name, then use the format function. Okay, and if you have any doubt, just comment it, or you want anything, that you want any guidance, you want any explanation on any other topic, for example, how to make calendar in the Power Query, then any topic that you want to understand from me, then please comment that. I will make another video. I will make next video on that. Thank you so much for watching this video.